What comes standard with the Sewerin Stethophon 04 SDR standard kit? Hi, I'm Sunny with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you what comes standard with the Sewerin Stethophon 04 SDR standard kit. Here we have the Stethophon 04 SDR standard kit. In this kit you'll receive the hard case, you'll receive the Stethophon SDR receiver, you'll receive two of the 170mm extension rods, you'll receive the resonance plate for hard surfaces and for soil, the EM35 microphone, the M6 round magnet, the F8 wireless headphones, the M4 AC/DC wall charger to charge the headphones, the DC car adapter charger for the headphones, and the instruction manuals. This is what you get in the Stethophon 04 SDR standard kit.